Bridge, this is the chief officer. We have smoke coming from cargo hold 2. Possible fire, initiating emergency procedure.
Acknowledge. Sound the general alarm. All crew to emergency station. Chief, we lost the port engine. RPM dropping fast.
Check fuel and cooling. Any signs of mechanical failure?
Turbocharger overheated before shutdown. Possible major fault.
We need to inform the bridge now. Bridge, this is engineering port. Engine failure. We're running on one engine in heavy seas.
Captain, port engine down, running on one engine.
Pass me through. Chief, can you restore power?
Not without further damage. Starboard engine under strain.
Understood. Secure the field engine. Chief mate, adjust course. Radio officer, prepare emergency signals.
On overboard, starboard side. Wing, life boy. Jack, grab it.
Captain, crew member, overboard, starboard side.
Mark position. Slow down engineering. Prepare for emergency stop.
All crew, man overboard, standby for recovery.
Bridge, engine, slowing, standby.
Lower rescue boat if safe. Use searchlights. Prepare standby swimmers.